about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Medium app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on your photo down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on push notifications. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down and you come here to someone you follow. Place it here, just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to show notifications. Just click in this sign here. So the like you see color, it's gone. That's mention notifications for someone you follow, publish it as sorry. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.